Welcome to Dukascopy TV. I'm Andrew Sachs-McLeod of Forex industry news source LeapRate. We now head to Malta, where we're joined by Managing Director of NSFX, Nick Bennett. Hello, Nick.
Hi, Andrew. Good afternoon. It's a pleasure to meet you finally.
Likewise.
Thanks for having me.
Pleasure. To provide an insight into your professional background, it would be of interest to detail your career within the FX industry and what NSFX brings to the table.
Well, me personally, Andrew, I've been in international money and FX markets for 20 years plus. I started in London, and now I find myself in Malta via Luxembourg and Zurich. Now, for NSFX, I think we bring a combination of several important elements that are most relevant for our customers. Technology infrastructure, for one, has been built in-house from the ground up. It's been tailored to meet the needs of our customers, supports all our trading platforms, and as such, we feel we have a strong level of flexibility when it comes to our customers' needs. We constantly monitor feedback and are able to react rapidly to changing requirements as and when they occur. We feel that our technology provides a custom trading experience for our clients, which so far they seem to be very happy about. I would go on to say that the second thing we bring is a strong corporate and regulatory framework. We've been licensed by the Maltese Financial Services Authority, which is a very strong regulatory authority with a very pro-business approach. It gives traders of ours the peace of mind and security that NSFX operates to the highest European standards, yet we maintain a strong fluidity within our operational processes.
When establishing NSFX in Malta, what did you initially seek to achieve that differentiates the firm from its competition, and what do you think is the best way of going about such a thing?
Well, it's interesting you asked that question, Andrew. It was clear from the beginning, from the very outset, we were looking to establish NSFX within a regulatory environment that was strong or strong plus. You know, with everything that's been going on in Cyprus, for example, the financial situation there, collateral banking issues, we needed an environment that had a more robust framework. Malta was an easy choice. It seemed to be the perfect place for us. It's got a strong, stable banking system. It's got a very strong regulatory authority. It makes sure that the business conducted here and the integrity of the brokers that conduct business here is at the highest European level. It comes as no surprise to me that there are more and more brokers looking to relocate here. It's going to be the best, I think, the next big thing in Forex in Europe.
That is a very interesting point indeed. What is your opinion on how to ensure that broker partners continue to provide good quality client referrals by giving a good commission structure and low spreads, yet remain profitable as a cost model for the prime brokerage and the brokerage firm itself, as well as broker partners alike?
Look, the partners, this IB and affiliates market, it's extremely important to us at NSFX. It's definitely one of our most fertile business channels. We have managed to build a cutting-edge affiliate and partners management system that is synchronized in real time with all trading activity relevant to each specific partner. This creates what we believe is a fully transparent system. It enables our partners to know at any given moment of the day what kind of revenues we at NSFX are generating for their trading activity, and as a direct derivative, their own incomes. We think this type of transparency and business integrity, because of the transparency, is the added value we offer our partners, and the feedback from them so far, it's been more than encouraging.
Very good to hear. As STP brokerage has become very much de rigueur in today's market, many retail end users assume that all brokers which profess to have a non-dealing desk model are operating in A-book only. With the ever-increasing demands from traders for raw spread and many offers of, for example, 0.2 pips on euro-dollar, it's certain that B-booking is taking place. What do you consider is the best practice in terms of offering A-book only and ensuring that traders are aware that the spreads will widen at certain critical times, as opposed to B-booking in order to keep the trader at 0.2 spreads and keep them happy?
I think, Andrew, here the key element has to be education. We're not talking about the market education, fundamental technical analysis, or the like. It's educating these clients on all the influences that affect business models of brokers and how that in turn relates to a trader's relationship with the broker. It's not a secret that brokers need to be profitable. We need to be profitable to be able to offer a service. At NSFX, our ECN traders, for example, they understand that in order for us to offer them a pure STP experience without compromise, we have to rely on a basic principle of supply and demand that dictates available liquidity in markets at given conditions. These same traders, they understand that the best brokers around are those that have a solid business model, who are going to profit enough from pure STP activity, enables them to remain strong players in what's becoming a more and more competitive market.
Makes sense. Do you see good potential revenue generation as a result of offering the Forex managed account provision, in which algorithmic traders are really the target market, and they place their clients' funds in an automated PAM account? And if so, what is the best method of operating this type of service? It's a good idea to elaborate on the special features which are unique to the Forex managed account solutions that clients consider valuable.
Look, managed accounts, not so common longer. They're slowly becoming one of the most important segments in the FX industry, and we see that with increasing demand here at NSFX. Most of these money management operations are utilizing algorithmic trading strategies. These strategies, at their essence, they require a strong technological infrastructure and solid liquidity connections from the broker side. Because of this fact, NSFX has a deep understanding of the trading technology, having referenced earlier that we built ours from the ground up. The partnership with Dukascopy, it's likely to be very successful. The Forex platform, it's a leading platform with additional features for money managers to enhance their managing abilities and give a high level of control for their managed accounts. The fact that Dukascopy itself is a bank will enable us, NSFX, to offer segregated bank accounts under the client's name and with a direct connection to the trading platform, which offers, for us, we consider this offers the highest level of safety of funds available in the industry today. This in essence, is how a good partnership, it can create a unique product that benefits traders and money managers alike.
Let's talk about client retention. There's a very high cost these days associated with acquisition of clients. Therefore, retention is increasingly important. What tools do you think are likely to be introduced in the near future by retail FX firms to ensure higher lifetime value? And do you think that NSFX has a unique methodology that engages and retains existing clients?
Well, Andrew, I think here the key element is education. It's not talking about a market education or fundamental technical analysis or the like. It's educating the client on all the influences that affect the business model of a broker and how that in turn relates to a relationship with a broker. It's not a secret that brokers need to be profitable to continue to offer a service to customers. Our ECN traders, for example, they understand that in order to offer them a pure STP experience with no compromise, we rely on a basic principle of supply and demand that dictate available liquidity in current market sessions. Traders understand that the best brokers around are those with a solid business model who can profit enough from, let's say, pure STP activity to remain strong players in a very competitive market.
Finally, what is NSFX's growth plan and how does the firm seek to penetrate new markets?
Well, Andrew, we continue to strive for excellence in what we do. And it's a business of offering investment services. We offer a wide variety of platforms, especially now that we have this upcoming partnership with Dukascopy. Our very strong team operates from within a solid regulatory framework that gives us traders a peace of mind regards their safety of funds and stability. We offer a great ECN trading experience, and above all, we offer a unique client service and support which will continue to excel in understanding what exactly the traders need on a local level and help us penetrate new markets, hopefully as successfully as we've been from the start.
Thank you very much for joining us.
Thank you, Andrew.
I'm Andrew Sachs-McLeod from Leap Rate. You're watching Dukascopy TV. Thank you very much for watching. See you next time.